Hello everyone. So today we are going to see Math.pow method. Now, so this Math.pow method is used to raise a number to the power of another number. So it is a part of the java.lang.math class, which provide a wide range of mathematical operations. So inside math class, we have this method called POW, that is nothing but power, and the syntax of this method is like public static. So this is a static method and its return type is double, so we can directly use the class name and we can call this method, and the argument it will accept is the double. So double is base and this exponent. So base is the number to be raised to a power, exponent is the power to which a base number is raised. It will return the value of base raised to the power of exponent. So how it will work, let's see. The math.pow method calculates the power of number using the formula, that is result equal to base to the power exponent. For example, math.power of 2, 3, this is a base, this is the exponent, 2 power 3 will be the 8. So if we try with this example, at the here we have given 2, 3, then the output will be 8. Math.power of 5, 0, base is this, exponent is this, 5 power 0 equal to 1. Math.power of 2, minus 2, so 2 power minus 2, that will be 1/4, that will be 0.25. So let's see with the examples. Here is the example we have. Now here we have this example. Let's do it practically and check whether what will be the output we'll get. This is a class, I will paste here. Now here we can see math.power of 2/3. Let me go to this class. Here is a public final class. Now if I go to the method of one of these here, now math.power, here we can see you will get here, it will accept this double, return type is double, and it is a static method. I'll go back to this test. So the first result should be 2 power 3, that is it will come as 8.0 because its return type is double. Now 5 power 2 is 25, 10 power minus 2 will be 1/100 and that will be 0.01. Now if I try to run this application, let me run this. Here we go. First it will return 8, next it will return 25.0, third it will return 0.01. So this way we can use this power method of math class. Let's see the example with the floating point numbers. So here we are passing this simple integer. Let us pass this floating values and check what will the output we'll get. Let me copy this, and if we go and see on the floating, if we right click and run as a Java application, here we go, we are getting this result 9.5 power 3.2. it will be this one. Now here we can also use this math.pow to calculate the square root. So just what we can do is, here we can give the 0.5, that is nothing but 1/2. So if you want to find out the square root of any number, in that case also it will be helpful to calculate. Just that here we have to use 0.5, that is half. So 16 square root will be 4. Let me run this application. Here we go, 4. Now if I try to find the square root of 9, it should give us a 3. Let's see. Here we go, 3. Let's suppose 400, the square root should be 20. Run this Java application. Here we go, 20. This way we can also find the square root by using this. So the return type, the method always return the double even if the input are integer. This is because the result of the exponentiation can be a non-integer value. So the special cases are there. This, like if you want this, we pass the base and exponent as 0, it will return a 1. Let me copy this. Let's see. Math.pow of, let's see, run as a Java application. Yeah. Then any number you have given here at the base and exponent is 0, in that case we can like every time we'll get 1.0 only. Expect this x should not be equal to n. Now another case is at the place of base, if you are giving 0 and exponent is y, then it will always return as 0.0 for any positive y. So if we see the performance, it is a powerful, but it might not be as fast as multiplication for a simple cases. So here is the example. If you want to find the, let's suppose if you want to find the square of any number, so instead of using, if you want like most efficient way to calculate the square of number, what we can do is, instead of this math.pow, we can directly use this multiplication, because it will be more efficient than this one. So the conclusion what we can say here is, this math.pow method is a versatile tool for the exponentiation in the Java, supporting both the integer and floating point calculation. So it is particularly useful for the mathematical computation involving the powers and roots. I will give the link of this blog in the description. From there you can practice this example, so it will help us to understand how we can use this power method of this math class. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.